To automate Debank MetaMask integration, start by understanding what Debank and MetaMask are. Debank is a portfolio tracker that allows users to monitor their cryptocurrency assets across multiple wallets and exchanges, while MetaMask is a digital wallet that enables users to interact with the Ethereum blockchain. First, ensure you have a Debank account and a MetaMask wallet set up. If you don't have these, create a Debank account by going to the Debank website and signing up, and install the MetaMask browser extension from the official MetaMask website. Next, connect your MetaMask wallet to Debank. To do this, log into your Debank account and click on the Add Wallet button. Select MetaMask from the list of available wallets and follow the prompts to connect your MetaMask wallet to Debank. After connecting your MetaMask wallet, you will need to authorize Debank to access your wallet data. This is a one-time process that allows Debank to track your cryptocurrency assets. To authorize, click on the Authorize button and follow the prompts to grant Debank permission to access your wallet data. Once you have connected and authorized your MetaMask wallet, you can automate the Debank MetaMask integration by setting up a data synchronization schedule. This allows Debank to automatically update your portfolio data at regular intervals. To set up a synchronization schedule, go to your Debank account settings and select the synchronization option. In the synchronization settings, choose how often you want Debank to update your portfolio data, such as every hour or every day. You can also set up notifications to alert you when your portfolio data has been updated. Best practices for automating Debank MetaMask integration include ensuring that your MetaMask wallet is securely set up and that you have authorized Debank to access your wallet data. It is also important to regularly review your portfolio data to ensure that it is accurate and up to date. By following these steps and best practices, you can automate the Debank MetaMask integration and easily track your cryptocurrency assets across multiple wallets and exchanges. This will help you to make informed investment decisions and stay on top of your cryptocurrency portfolio.